My company is GMRC. We're out of Simsboro, Louisiana. We do oil field sites primarily is what we do. Site tech to me has been very helpful whenever we have any issues, if we do, which is very far and few between, but when we do, they're there. When we call, they come and take care of us. On the technology side of it, you need that kind of support to be able to function in today's construction world. I mean, if you don't have that kind of support, it's just very hard to function. Adding the GPS to the skid steers, the smaller machines, was a idea that I had to try to have a little more competitive edge, running smaller machines, using less fuel, less move in and move out cost, less operator cost, which has worked out very well. We typically run two of the little, the smaller machines. In a lot of cases, if we don't have graders available, the smaller machines will actually outperform the larger machines, and the grade tolerances are tighter on the smaller machines as well. The Trimble products perform very well. The grade tolerances on the Trimble products is from what we find is within 100 to 200 consistently. It's helped grow our business tremendously. With several different companies, it's allowed us to have a very competitive edge that we didn't have before. It's really helped us grow.